From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Jill Reel.
Starting off this morning with a little bit of fog across central New York as we take a live look at our CAV tower cam. Again, we are seeing reduced visibility up here on Smith Hill due to that fog. So you want to give yourself a little bit of extra time as you head out the door. Also going to want to grab the sunglasses. We're finally going to see some sunshine across the region for this morning, but still going to need the air conditioning as it is going to be quite warm and humid as we go throughout today. Still at 71 degrees officially at Griffith Park, 71 as well in Syracuse, 72 in Watertown, and we're going to be sticking with that humidity not only for today, but as we head into tomorrow, and especially for Thursday, before those dew points will begin to drop as we head towards this weekend. One lone shower in the central parts of Herkimer County, just north of Little Falls, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Those showers are pushing off to the east. Behind it, we're going to see quiet conditions for today. So what is left over from Tropical Storm Henri is well off to our east. And now we're going to see quiet weather across the region. So as we head towards the noon hour, once that fog lifts, we'll see lots of sunshine. Temperatures will be near 80 degrees as we head it towards this evening. Mid-80s across central New York with partly to mostly sunny conditions. Quiet weather will continue for tonight, but again, it's going to be a warm and humid night with temperatures dropping back into the mid to upper 60s across the region. Same story for tomorrow. A little fog to start. We're going to see more in the way of some sunshine as we head towards tomorrow afternoon. We will be close to 90 degrees as we head towards Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. So again, for today, morning clouds and fog giving way to lots of sunshine. Temperatures will be in the low to mid 80s. For tonight, we'll drop back into the 60s under mostly clear skies. And taking a look at the rest of your forecast, very warm and humid for tomorrow in the upper 80s across the region. We do run the risk for a few thunderstorms as we head towards Thursday and Friday. I'll have your allergy report coming up. Dave?
Thanks a lot, Jill. The village.
The time is 5:18. We're saying good morning to Clayville and all the greater Utica region. A monarch butterfly right there. Keith was very excited to capture this. He actually gave me some facts, and I forgot to bring them over with myself. So I will share those facts about the monarch butterfly coming up in the next hour. Really cool video right there. Beautiful, beautiful butterfly. We have some great weather photos, a lot of rainbow photos from last night, from after the rain moved through the area. If you have any weather photos, you can always post them on Twitter at The Real Deal or on Facebook, Jill Reel. Check out this double rainbow. This is from Steven. He took this in Schuyler. Really cool photo with that sun right after the rain during Monday late afternoon and into the early evening hours. Another great photo of the sunset from last night. This is from George Watson. Put the post of this photo also on Facebook. Then we had to Twitter, a red-winged blackbird. This is from Linda Trace, sent in from Middlefield. And our last photo sent in of an eagle waiting for some food. This is from Katrina. She also posted this on Facebook. Really cool photo of that bald eagle right there. Now, if you've been sneezing a lot, well, very high pollen count, not only for today, but for tomorrow and for Thursday, especially with ragweed. We're talking about very high levels of pollen as we go throughout today and the next couple of days because of that dry weather. But that dry weather means fantastic weather for the great New York State Fair, but definitely want to stay hydrated as temperatures will be close to 90 degrees in Syracuse for today. Look at that morning commute forecast coming up. Dave?
Thanks a lot, Jill. The state of emergency.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Jill Reel.
We are waking up with some areas of dense fog across the region for this morning. And because of that, we have a view of our parking lot on our CAV tower cam. Some dense fog up here on Smith Hill. So as you head out the door, want to give yourself a little bit of extra time as you will have reduced visibility across the region. But once that fog lifts, we're going to see lots of sunshine across central New York. It's going to be a beautiful day. But we're going to be dealing with the heat and humidity not only for today, but as we head towards tomorrow and pretty much for the rest of the week. Warm to start this morning. We're at 69 degrees in Lowville, 70 degrees in Utica, 67 in Deansboro, 68 in Little Falls as we head to the south across the southern valleys, 64 in Sherburne, 69 in Cooperstown, and 66 in Schenevus. Again, just a few sprinkles showing up on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. But those showers will be dissipating as what is left over from Tropical Storm Henri heads out to sea. Behind it, high pressure will build in, and we'll see more in the way of some sunshine for today. So once that fog and cloud cover lifts, by noon, mostly sunny skies. Temperatures will be near 80 degrees, As we head towards this afternoon, we'll top off in the low to mid 80s, again with quiet conditions across the region. Great evening, maybe to go for a walk or get some ice cream. As we head towards tonight, muggy conditions continue throughout the overnight into tomorrow morning. Same story for tomorrow, waking up with a little bit of fog. That will give way to partly sunny skies and temperatures close to 90 degrees as we head towards tomorrow afternoon. We'll be in the mid 80s for today, though, with fog giving way to sunshine. As we head into tonight, we'll drop back into the 60s under mostly clear skies. Quiet weather will continue for tomorrow with sunshine across the region. Temperatures near 90 degrees. A few thunderstorms possible for Thursday and Friday. Dave?
Thanks a lot, Jill.
The time is 5:50, and of course it is Tuesday, which means a food truck rally day, and it's going to be a great day for it. A little on the warm side, but maybe get a nice lemonade to cool off this evening. Temperatures will be in the mid 80s across central New York. Lots of sunshine as we head towards this afternoon. Or maybe you mow the lawn first and then go get that lemonade. We are talking about quiet weather to get that lawn taken care of for today and for tomorrow as well. As we head towards Thursday and Friday, just a few thunderstorms possible across the region. But again, for today, we're going to see lots of sunshine. So the drying process will continue throughout the next couple of days. Dave?
Jill, thanks. Check out this.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Jill Reel.
Starting off this morning with some areas of very dense fog, especially up here on Smith Hill. Let's take a live look at our CAV tower cam. Again, not seeing much up here on Smith Hill because of that fog this morning. So I want to give yourself some extra time as you head out the door. Once that fog lifts, though, we're going to see lots of sunshine across central New York. So definitely going to warm up quickly. So don't forget the sunglasses and the sunscreen for today. 71 degrees officially at Griffith Park, 70 in Syracuse, 65 in Ithaca, 63 in Albany. Again, we're going to be dealing with not only the heat, but the humidity as we go throughout the next couple of days. Notice those dew points in the upper 60s to low 70s. And when we get to the low 70s, that's going to be in that tropical category. So it's going to be pretty uncomfortable over the next couple of days. We have a few spotty showers in central Herkimer County. Otherwise, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, the weather is quiet across the region. Once that fog lifts, we are going to see plenty of sunshine across central New York. So as we head towards the noon hour, temperatures will be warming up into the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. We will top off in the low to mid 80s as we head towards this afternoon. Again, with humid conditions, but lots of sunshine. For tonight, muggy and mild once again. Temperatures will be dropping back into the 60s throughout the overnight into tomorrow morning. Now tomorrow, another day of sunshine across the region, and check this out, by noon tomorrow, upper 80s, we will be close to 90 degrees as we head towards Wednesday afternoon. We'll be in the mid 80s for today. Again, once that fog lifts, we're going to see plenty of sunshine across the region. As we head into tonight, we'll drop back into the 60s under mostly clear skies. Taking a look at the rest of your forecast for tomorrow, mix of sun and clouds. Very warm and humid with temperatures near 90 degrees. We'll be in the upper 80s as we head towards Thursday and Friday with a chance for some thunderstorms. Your allergy report is coming up. Dave?
Thanks a lot, Jill. The village of
The time is 6:18. We're saying good morning to Clayville and all the greater Utica region. Now that is a monarch butterfly. Our photographer Keith Hunt took this video and he gave me some facts to share with you guys as well about the monarch butterfly. Do you know that they travel between 1,200 to 2,800 miles per year for hibernation? So they go from Mexico to northern parts of the United States into Canada each season, of course, to migrate and of course to hibernate in the winter down in Mexico, which we all hope we wish we could do to get away from that snow. Also, the male monarch butterflies have black dots along their veins on their wings. So that's how you can tell between a male and a female. So there you go. Some fun facts for you for this morning. Now we have some great weather photos to pass along to you for this morning. Double rainbow, a lot of rainbow photos from last night after the rain. This was taken in Schuyler from Stephen. He posted this on Facebook. Another Facebook photo of the beautiful night sky. This is from George Watson between the Yorkville and Utica line from last night as well. Then we head to Twitter. This is a red-winged blackbird. This is from Linda Trace down in Middlefield. And one more photo of a bald eagle. Check that out. That's from Katrina. She posted this also on Twitter, waiting for its prey for lunch. I'm sure he was. Now, pollen count for today, if you're heading outdoors, very high in the category for ragweed, not only for today, but for the rest of the week. So if you do suffer from allergies, no relief in sight, unfortunately, with the dry weather across the region. We'll look at that morning commute forecast coming up. Dave?
Thanks a lot, Jill.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Jill Riehl.
We are starting off this morning with some areas of dense fog for parts of central New York as we take a live look at our CAV tower cam. Still seeing that fog up here on Smith Hill, but as we take a live look at a Mirabito tower cam in Oneonta, we're seeing quiet conditions. So again, just want to give yourself a little bit of extra time with that reduced visibility for this morning. But we're going to see plenty of sunshine as we go throughout the morning into the afternoon hours. It's going to be a great day across the region. It's going to be quite hot and humid, not only for today, but pretty much for the rest of the week. Warm to start, 66 in Inlet, 67 in Glenmore, 68 in Old Forge, as well as Clinton, 69 in Westdale and New Hartford, 70 in Verona Beach as we head to the south across the southern valleys, waking up to 65 in Edmondson, 66 in Lawrence, 67 in Morris, Hartwick, 68 in Milford, and 70 in West Winfield. Just a few spotty showers in Otsego as well as Herkimer counties, but with dry air moving on in, we'll see less in the way of rain today on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Once that fog lifts, do expect more in the way of some sunshine as we go throughout the morning into the afternoon, and that's going to help temperatures warm up nicely. So by the noon hour, we'll be in the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. As we head towards this afternoon into the evening hours, we'll top off in the low to mid 80s, and we'll stay in the 80s for this evening. Now, as we head into tonight, temperatures will drop back into the 60s across the region, so a mild start as we head into tomorrow. So again, for today, clouds and fog this morning, giving way to sunshine. Temperatures in the low 80s for tonight. We'll drop back into the 60s under mostly clear skies. And taking a look at the rest of your forecast as we head towards tomorrow, very warm and humid with temperatures near 90 degrees. Do run the risk for a few thunderstorms for Thursday and Friday. Dave?
Thanks, Jill. Pumpkin spice.
The time is 6:49. We are waking up with some areas of dense fog this morning. That will lift, and we're going to see a gorgeous day across central New York. So if you're thinking about heading to the Great New York State Fair for today, it's going to be a warm one. Temperatures will make their way into the 80s for this afternoon. And don't forget that sunscreen as well, as we're going to see lots of sunshine for today. Maybe you can go check out Showtime later on this evening, or even some other musical acts. Now, as we head towards this afternoon, that's when the ground is really going to dry out. So if you have been waiting to take care of your lawn, this afternoon's a great day to do so. Tomorrow as well, we do run the risk for a few thunderstorms as we head towards Thursday and into Friday. But this morning, the big story, some fog across the region. We'll look at that morning commute forecast coming up. Dave?
Thanks a lot, Jill.
The time is 7:11. We are waking up with some areas of dense fog for this morning. A live look at our CAV tower cam. We are seeing that dense fog up here on Smith Hill. So want to give yourself a little bit of extra time, especially on hilltops for this morning. Just some cloudy skies up in Old Forge, and we're also seeing some sunshine. Check this out. A beautiful sunrise over the city of Oneonta this morning on a Mirabito tower cam. So once that fog lifts, we will see more in the way of some sunshine for today. And on top of that, we'll be seeing some very warm temperatures. I'll track those temperatures coming up in less than 10 minutes. Dave?
Thanks a lot, Jill.
The time is 7:17. We are waking up with some fog across the region as well as some low-lying clouds, but we will be drying out as we go throughout the morning hours. And with those dry conditions, we do have high pollen count levels not only for today, but as we head towards Wednesday and for Thursday as well. So if you are suffering from allergies, especially ragweed, we're going to see very high pollen counts over the next couple of days with that dry weather. But with that dry weather, you can head to the Great New York State Fair. It's going to be a warm one for today. Don't forget that sunscreen. Temperatures will make their way into the mid to perhaps upper 80s, close to 90 degrees as we head towards this afternoon. Or you can take it to the lawn. You're talking about mowing that lawn for today. Great conditions to do so. As well as for tomorrow, we do run the risk for a few thunderstorms for Thursday and Friday. Each of those days will not be a washout, though, so if you want to take care of the lawn next couple of days, no excuses, at least not with the weather. Dave?
Thanks a lot, Jill.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Jill Riehl.
Starting off this morning with some areas of fog across central New York as we take a live look at our CAV tower cam, as we're seeing some very dense fog up here on Smith Hill, but not the case down in Oneonta, where we're seeing some sunshine on a Mirabito tower cam in Oneonta for this morning. So once that fog lifts, We do expect plenty of sunshine as we go throughout the morning into the afternoon hours. And with that sunshine, it is going to be warm and humid as we go throughout the next couple of days. Starting off in the 60s, 66 in Inlet, 67 in Glenmore, 68 in Old Forge, as well as Clinton, 69 in Westdale, New Hartford, 70 in Verona Beach. As we head to the south across the southern valleys, waking up to 65 in Edmonton, 66 in Lawrence, 67 in Morris and Hartwick, 68 in Milford, and 70 in West Winfield. Again, the rain is drying up on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Once that fog lifts, we're going to see plenty of sunshine throughout the morning into the afternoon hours, and that's going to help temperatures warm up nicely. So as we head it towards the noon hour, temperatures will be in the upper 70s. We'll top off in the low to mid 80s as we head it towards this afternoon with plenty of sunshine to go around. Another night of warm weather across the region. Temperatures will drop back into the 60s. Same story for tomorrow. Plenty of sunshine throughout the morning, but it's going to be even warmer as we head it towards tomorrow afternoon, with temperatures warming up into the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. So again, for today, clouds and fog this morning giving way to sunshine. Temperatures will be warming up into the low to mid 80s. For tonight, we'll drop back into the 60s under mostly clear skies. And take a look at the rest of your forecast as we head it towards tomorrow. Mix of sun and clouds across the region. Temperatures will be near 90 degrees. We do have on the risk for a few thunderstorms as we head towards Thursday and Friday with highs in the 80s.
We go over to meteorologist Jill Reel, and it's warming up out there.
Yeah, shaping up to a beautiful day across the region for this afternoon. We did see some very dense fog this morning, but that is lifting, and now we're seeing finally some quiet conditions on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Nothing but sunshine as we head it towards this afternoon and into the evening hours, and that's helping temperatures warm up nicely. We're at 78 degrees in Old Forge as well as Clinton, 75 in Cassville, 77 in Otsego. If you are heading to the Great New York State Fair, make sure you stay hydrated. Temperatures are going to be warming up into the mid to upper 80s as we go today. And don't forget that sunscreen. We're expecting lots of sunshine for today. Even warmer weather tomorrow, though. Look at that forecast coming up. Jason?
Jill, thank you. Pop music
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Jill Reel.
We are dealing with the heat and humidity for this afternoon, but it's nice to see the sunshine and dry conditions on our CAV tower cam. Again, just a few fair weather clouds over the city of Utica. We did wake up with some very dense fog this morning, but that is beginning to break apart, and now we're seeing more sunshine, not only over the Mohawk Valley, but check this out. Look at Morrisville. Not a cloud in sight. Westmoreland, mostly sunny skies, sunshine as well as in Herkimer and Brookfield. A little bit of cloud cover up towards Coldbrook, but again, those clouds and fog will be giving way to lots of sunshine as we head towards this afternoon. Gorgeous day across the region for today. It's going to be a warm one as temperatures will be making their ways into the 80s, but we will notice a little bit of a dip in humidity today. Not the case as we head towards tomorrow. Very humid conditions will be returning along with the heat as we head towards Wednesday and Thursday. Quiet conditions on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. All the moisture left from Tropical Storm Henri is moving on out of here. You can see the decrease in clouds right over the Mohawk Valley. So as we go throughout the afternoon hours, do expect more in the way of some sunshine. Very comfortable 79 degrees at Griffiths Park, 82 in Syracuse, 78 down in Ithaca, 76 in Binghamton. Again, dew points are not in the 70s locally at this point in time. They're going to drop a bit as we head it towards this afternoon, but it's not going to stay for long. We're talking about dew points back into the 70s as we head into tomorrow, and that will be on that tropical section of our comfort index. You notice the increase in those dew points with very humid conditions as we head it towards the middle and end of the work week. So on our Skycast, again, lots of sunshine for this afternoon. That's going to help temperatures warm up into the low to mid 80s throughout the afternoon hours. Great afternoon, great evening, maybe to go for an ice cream, go for a walk, a bike ride. Fantastic weather. Tonight, we'll drop back into the 60s throughout the overnight, so you may be able to leave those windows open and give those air conditioners a rest for tonight. As we head into tomorrow, a little bit of fog to start in the morning, and that will give way to sunshine just like today, but it's going to be a bit warmer. By this time tomorrow, we'll be at 85 degrees at Griffiths Park. We'll be close to 90 degrees as we head towards tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening with partly sunny skies across the region. So for today, fantastic weather, lots of sunshine. Temperatures will make their way into the mid 80s. For tonight, we'll drop back into the 60s under mostly clear skies. And taking a look at the rest of your forecast, Again, for tomorrow, hazy, very warm and humid. We will be close to 90 degrees across the region, and we will be staying in the upper 80s for Thursday with a chance for thunderstorms both Thursday and Friday. Jason?
Jill, thank you. Crews are combing through the forecast. We'll go over to meteorologist Hannah Evans in the Weather Center. Good evening.
Good evening, Jason. So we had a nice sunny but hot day today, and that will be the case tomorrow as well.
Cool.
So here's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. No activity, and that will remain this way tomorrow. Come Thursday, we may see some scattered thunderstorms. Temperature is sitting at 84. That dew point is still very high, so it's still very hot and muggy, but we do have some wind coming in, so some relief from the heat with the wind. So your headlines for this evening, we have plenty of sunshine. Those warm temperatures continue tomorrow, and we actually have a heat advisory tomorrow for Oneida County. This is in effect from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. So just be wary of that. It is going to be very hot, almost hitting 90 tomorrow, and humid as well. But for this evening, temperatures ranging in the mid to lower 80s. Beautiful sunshine. I will have your full forecast coming up. Back to you, Jason.
Hannah, thank you. The Stanley Theater is up.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome back. We had a beautiful sunny day today, but it was very hot and very humid, and that will be the case for tomorrow as well. Here's a live look at the CAPV Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica. We see no cloud cover in the sky. Beautiful sunshine. This is also going to be the case tomorrow. Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar showing no activity right now, and this is because we are in high pressure. So high pressure typically brings sunshine, clear, dry weather, but it is still very humid. Oneida County is under a heat advisory for tomorrow from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. because of the heat and humidity. Temperatures rising all the way up, almost hitting 90. So just be wary of this for tomorrow. But temperatures tonight, we are at 84 degrees right now in Rome, so still very warm outside. That dew point is very high up as well, so the humidity is high. It is going to remain very humid for tomorrow and Thursday. As we get into Friday, it will slightly drop a little bit to the muggy category, but still little to no relief. We do have some winds coming in tonight, so that is giving a little bit of a relief, but for tomorrow it is going to be very hot and very humid. But it is a nice night to walk the dog. Beautiful sunshine, temperatures in the 80s like I just said. Tonight's featured dog is Zappa, and if you would like to be a part of this, send in your pictures to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. This is brought to you by StaffWorks. So let's map out these next couple of days and the temperatures as well. Tonight, the overnight low will be in the upper 60s, very muggy. No cloud cover though, and as we get into the morning tomorrow, already at the low 70s by 8 a.m. Throughout the day, temperatures in the upper 80s, almost reaching 90s. So, and little to no cloud cover as well, very humid. So that is why Oneida County is under a heat advisory throughout the day tomorrow. Moving into tomorrow night, into early Thursday morning, we may see some scattered showers and storms in the morning and afternoon hours on Thursday because of that humidity. And there's also a cold front moving through as well. But if you are going to the food truck rally tonight, it is a nice night to go, warm and humid, but sunny. Temperatures in the mid to lower 80s. But for tonight, we have a low of 66, mostly clear but muggy. Tomorrow, high of 89, almost reaching 90. Sunny, hot, and humid. 7-day forecast showing some scattered storms returning for Thursday and Friday, along with a cold front. Moving into Saturday, we are drying out. Temperatures dropping into the lower 80s as well. Sunday, Monday, we may see some scattered showers and storms as well. Jason?
All right, Hannah, thank you. Forecasting this half hour, we go over to meteorologist Hannah Evans. And a beautiful day out there, getting warm too.
Yes, very hot, very humid. It will be even warmer tomorrow. So here's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. No activity at all, and it is going to remain this way tomorrow. Quiet weather ahead. Our temperature is at 84 this evening. That dew point is still pretty high at 64, so it does still feel a bit humid. We have that wind coming in at 10 miles per hour for some relief from the heat. Your headlines for this evening, plenty of sunshine today and tomorrow as well. The warm temperature continues for the next couple of days tomorrow we are actually under a heat advisory for Oneida County. This is in effect from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. So just be wary of that when outside tomorrow because of that heat and humidity. This evening we have temperatures ranging in the low to mid 80s. Nice, beautiful sunshine, but very humid. I will have your full forecast coming up. Back to you, Jason.
Hannah, thank you.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome back. We had a beautiful sunny day today, but very hot, very humid. It will be even more hot and more humid tomorrow. So here's a live look at the CAVV Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica. No cloud cover, and that will be the case tomorrow as well. Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar showing no activity, and this is because we are in high pressure for the next couple of days. High pressure typically corresponds to nice, sunny, dry weather, but it is also very humid as well. It will remain humid for the rest of the week, so no relief from the heat there. Temperature is coming in from some of our sky watchers. We are ranging in the lower 80s to mid 80s throughout most of the area. The cooler temperatures are further south in Otsego County, so we have 78 in Evanston, 78 in Otsego, so just ranging from the lower 80s to mid 80s throughout the night tonight. So a warm night, and it is very humid as well, and it will remain humid for tomorrow and Thursday. Friday, we do have a cold front coming in, so that will break the humidity just a little bit, only down to the muggy category. But tomorrow is going to be very hot. Oneida County is actually in a heat advisory tomorrow from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. So just be wary of that when outside for longer periods of time. But for this evening, a great night to walk the dog. Temperatures in the low 80s in Utica. Tonight's features dog is Zappa. And if you would like to be a part of this, you can send in your photos to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. This is brought to you by StaffWorks. So let's map out those temperatures for you. So this evening and tonight, the overnight low will only be in the upper 60s, still very muggy. And as we get into tomorrow, by 8 a.m., already in the lower 70s, and that temperature will continue to rise throughout the day, almost reaching 90 degrees by tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. Very humid as well, so make sure you are drinking your water throughout the day because we are under that heat advisory. We do see some scattered showers and thunderstorms overnight tomorrow night into Thursday as well. If you are going to the food truck rally tonight in downtown Utica, it is a great night to go. Warm and sunny, but it is very humid. Temperatures in the lower 80s. But for tonight, overnight low of 66, mostly clear tonight. And tomorrow, nice sunshine, very hot, high of 89, almost reaching 90. Your 7-day forecast showing we are expecting some scattered showers and storms to come in Thursday and Friday with that cold front, with highs in the lower 80s for Friday. Saturday and Sunday, highs in the lower 80s as well. That heat breaks just a little bit. Saturday, we are dry. We're expecting some scattered showers and storms to return for Sunday and Monday. We'll be right back.
At 6, we go over to meteorologist Hannah Evans. Good evening, Hannah.
Good evening, Jason, and good evening, everybody. We had beautiful sunshine today. It will remain that way tomorrow, but a little bit hotter. So here's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. No activity, a nice break from that rain we are getting. Temperature is at 82. That will only drop into the upper 60s for the overnight low tonight. That dew point is still kind of high at 62, so it is feeling quite muggy and hot outside right now. We are getting a little bit of relief from that 12 miles per hour wind. So your headlines from this evening, we have plenty of sunshine today and again tomorrow. The warm temperature trend continues, but for tomorrow, Oneida County is actually already under a heat advisory from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. So just be wary of this. It will be very hot and humid tomorrow. Before this evening, we have temperatures in the low to mid 80s, beautiful sunshine, and I will have your full forecast coming up. Back to you, Jason.
Hannah, thank you. Brand new at 6.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome back. We had some beautiful sunshine today, and it will remain that way tomorrow, just a little bit hotter. So here's a live look at the Cavity Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica. We see no clouds at all, and again, it will remain this way for the day tomorrow as well. Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar showing no activity at all, and this is because we are in high pressure right now. So it will remain this way for at least today and tomorrow. This usually brings nicer weather conditions, usually dry, but it is very humid in our area for this next week coming up. So just keep that in mind. Oneida County is actually under a heat advisory tomorrow, starting at 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. because of the humidity and the high temperatures that are going to occur. It is going to be close to 90 degrees tomorrow, so just keep that in mind throughout the day. Some Skywatcher reports coming in tonight. We are ranging in the upper 70s to mid 80s throughout the night. The 70s are occurring further south in Otsego County. So we have 81 in Morris, 78 in Otsego, 79 in Cassville. So ranging in the upper 70s to mid 80s throughout this evening. Still very humid. It will remain humid for tomorrow and Thursday, dropping a little bit to the muggy category on Friday due to a cold front coming through. So it will break the humidity a little bit, but not a lot. It's still going to be hot and humid for the day on Friday and for the weekend as well. So if you want to look at the moon tonight, it is going to be a nice clear night ahead. It is in the waning gibbous phase. It was in the full moon phase when we were dealing with Omri, so we didn't really get to see that. But the illumination is at 95%. It rises at 9:17 p.m. It doesn't set until tomorrow morning at 9:27 a.m., so you still may be able to see it tomorrow morning as well. So just mapping out those temperatures, overnight lows only in the upper 60s, and as we get into tomorrow, already in the mid 70s in the morning hours as we get throughout the day into the afternoon and evening. As we can see, temperatures reaching upper 80s to 90s, and then overnight you may see a scattered shower or two throughout the night Wednesday into Thursday as well because of that humidity and those higher temperatures. So if you are going to the food truck rally tonight, it is going to be hot and humid, but it is a nice night to go. It's nice and sunny, temperatures in the lower to mid 80s. For tonight, a low of 66, mostly clear and muggy. Tomorrow, high of 89. Again, that heat advisory is in effect for Oneida County. 7-day forecast showing tracking some scattered showers and storms for Thursday and Friday due to that cold front. Highs in the 80s, dropping a little bit on Saturday for just a high of 80. Sunday, Monday, we are tracking some more storms as well. We'll be right back.
Forecast meteorologist Hannah Evans tonight.
Good evening, everybody. So we had a beautiful sunny day today. It will remain that way tomorrow, just a little bit hotter and a little bit more humid. So here's the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. No activity, and so no news is good news. We had a beautiful sunset tonight. This was sent in by Bob Joy. This picture was taken in Clinton. So beautiful sunset tonight from a beautiful sunny day. Temperature right now is sitting at 68. That will only drop into the mid 60s for tonight. Dew point still very high at 63. So it is quite muggy out tonight. Plenty of sunshine again tomorrow, just like today, but the warm temperature trends continue. Tomorrow, Oneida County is under a heat advisory from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. because of this extreme heat and humidity. Temperatures expecting to reach almost 90 degrees tomorrow. But for tonight, we have a low of 66, mostly clear but muggy night ahead, and I will have your full forecast coming up. Back to you, Kristen.
All right, Hannah, thank you. Brand new tonight, a fire in...
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome back. We had some beautiful sunshine today. It will remain that way for tomorrow, but a little hotter and a little bit more humid. So here's a live look at the Cavity Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica. A nice clear night ahead, warm too. Temperatures right now in the upper 60s. Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar showing no activity at all, so no news is good news, right? This is all because we are in high pressure right now. So high pressure typically means drier, more sunny weather. So better weather than low pressure, but we are also very humid right now. So even though it is hot and it is nice, it is still quite humid out there, making it feel a lot warmer than the actual temperature. So as we move into tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday, it will be humid for tomorrow and Thursday. Tomorrow, Oneida County is actually under a heat advisory from the National Weather Service from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. due to very high temperatures in the upper 80s, almost reaching 90s, and the high humidity as well. So just keep that in mind when outside tomorrow. As we get into Friday, there is a cold front moving through. This will drop the humidity and the temperature just a bit. It will still be muggy for the day on Friday. But tonight, since the temperatures are warm, it is a great night to have a campfire or a bonfire. Temperatures in the upper 60s to 70s, very warm, a clear night as well, so a good night to watch the moon. So the full moon was actually a couple days ago. That was when we were experiencing that weather from Henri, so you couldn't really see it. Tonight is the one in gibbous phase, so it's at 95% illumination. It rose at 9:17 p.m. and it is not setting until 9:27 a.m. tomorrow morning. So even if you wanted to look out tomorrow morning before 9:27, it should still be up in the sky. Mapping out the temperatures for the next couple of days, tonight only dropping into the upper 60s. Already at 8 a.m. tomorrow, temperatures in the lower 70s at 8 a.m. Moving throughout the day, as we can see, almost reaching 90, could reach 90 tomorrow, so it is going to be very hot, very humid. As we get into tomorrow evening into Thursday morning, we may see some scattered showers and storms because of that humidity. Another hot day on Thursday as well. Temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. But for tonight, a low of 66, mostly clear and muggy out. Tomorrow, high of 89, could reach 90. Sunny, hot, and humid for the day tomorrow. Your 7-day forecast showing some scattered storms for Thursday and Friday. Saturday, we are drying out due to a cold front coming through, dropping that temperature just a little bit with a high of 80. Storms returning for Sunday and Monday. Kristen?
Hannah, thank you. Coming up to be a hot one tomorrow. We turn to meteorologist Hannah Evans in the Weather Center.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome back. So yes, it is going to be very hot tomorrow. It was hot today, but tomorrow it's going to be even warmer. So here's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. No activity for today, and that will remain the case for tomorrow as well. We had a beautiful sunset this evening. This was sent in by Bob on Facebook. He is from Clinton, so this was the sunset over Clinton. Temperature is at 67. It will only drop into the mid-60s overnight tonight, but it is still very muggy with that dew point at 62. So your headlines for this evening, plenty of sunshine again tomorrow, but that warm temperature trends continue. Tomorrow, Oneida County is actually under a heat advisory from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. because of those high temperatures and high humidity as well. But for tonight, the low will be just about 66, mostly clear but muggy. I will have your full forecast coming up. Back to you, Kristen.
Hannah, thank you. The Utica Fire Department is
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome back. We had a nice break from the rain today. Beautiful sunny day. Very humid, though. It will remain that way tomorrow as well. A little bit hotter and a little bit more humid. So here's a live look over the city of Utica on our CAV Tower Cam. A mostly clear but muggy night ahead. And if we look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, no activity at all, and it will remain this way for tomorrow as well. This is because we are in high pressure right now. So when we are in high pressure, that typically means nicer conditions, that sunshine, that drier weather. But we are still very humid, and we will be humid for most of the week. So just a look at that comfort cast for tomorrow and Thursday, very humid. We have a cold front moving through on Friday, breaking the humidity just a bit, still a bit muggy out for Friday. But I want to note tomorrow, Oneida County is under a heat advisory by the National Weather Service. This is in effect at 11 a.m. until 7 p.m. because temperatures may even reach 90 tomorrow and very humid as well. So just keep that in mind when outside tomorrow. Make sure you are drinking plenty of water. But tonight, nice, warm, great night for a campfire or a bonfire. also very clear. So we have the moon tonight. This is in the Juan and gibbous phase. We missed the full moon a couple nights ago because we were dealing with some storms from Henri. So it wasn't a clear night to see the moon, but tonight, great night. Illumination is at 95%, so just a piece of it is missing, but it rose at 9:17 p.m. It won't set until 9:27 a.m. tomorrow, so even waking up, you might still see it in the sky. So let's map out those temperatures really quickly. Tonight, overnight lows only in the mid-60s, still very muggy, and even by 8 a.m. tomorrow, temperatures are already in the lower 70s. Moving into the afternoon and evening hours, temperatures in the upper 80s, may even reach 90, very humid, so that is why that heat advisory is in effect. As we move into Thursday, we may see some morning scattered showers because of that humidity, but that should clear out for the afternoon hours on Thursday. For tonight, we have a low of 66, mostly clear but muggy night ahead. And as we move into tomorrow, that heat advisory is in effect, high of 89, sunny, hot, and humid day tomorrow, but it is a nice break from that rain. So here's your 7-day forecast. Thursday and Friday, some scattered showers and storms. Temperatures dropping for just a high of 83 on Friday, 80 on Saturday, drying out as well. Those scattered storms return for Sunday and Monday. Back to you, Kristen.
Hannah, thank you.